Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Gitcoin Passport and ZkSync era. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now I have made few videos in the past stating that it's very important to have a Gitcoin Passport score of at least 20. Now in this video I will exactly show you with regards to new updates that are coming on the Gitcoin Passport. Now before we move on to Gitcoin Passport, Elon Musk has recently announced that the Twitter accounts involved in engagement farming will be suspended and traced to the source. So I think that there would be a lot of accounts that would be banned on Twitter. So if you are doing some engagement farming for crypto airdrops on the Twitter, I would advise you stop doing it now, because it's not worth to get your Twitter account banned for a $50 airdrop, because I have seen lot of people like actually spamming this block param and rest of these coins and tokens. So even I will go ahead and stop engagement farming on my Twitter account, but I will keep my other Twitter account, which is CoinDrop Hunter, still active. The reason being I am not spamming on that. Actually, it's just for the information purpose only. I post like once or twice a day on that, and that account is majorly for giveaways and some alpha feeds and airdrop. Now let's quickly move on to Gitcoin Passport. Now Gitcoin Passport has recently announced that there would be new stamps that would be coming. Now they have hinted us that basically they are working very close with ZkSync, and these new stamps would be added, I think so, tomorrow, which is like 21st April of 2024. Now I think personally it would be easier to get this humanity score of like 20 plus on Gitcoin Passport, which I will show you in some time. Now if you go ahead and check over here, they have mentioned one post. So let me go ahead and quickly check this for you. This new stamp will assess if the activity is scripted or generated by real humans. So I think they might be able to track this bot activity if you are doing some bot transactions on ZkSync. And also they have mentioned like more the on-chain activity on the ZkSync, it would be easier for you to get more humanity points on the Gitcoin Passport. Now I think ZkSync era should keep the criteria same, which is like 20 humanity score, but I am not sure, they might increase it. We need to wait for the official announcement from the ZkSync era team. So for now what you can do is you can go to guild.xyz over here and just check if you have all these levels, if you have all the access to all these levels over here. So if you see like I have this verified 1 2, so if you go in verified 2 over here, currently showing like you should have at least a Gitcoin Passport score of 20. Now if you are a Libertas Omnibus NFT holder, you would be able to gain the access over here. So hopefully ZkSync does not change this to like 25 or 30, hopefully, because you may never know. I mean it might be much easier to get the score to more than 20, and then basically out of nowhere ZkSync might end up making this like 25 or 30, you may never know. Now with regards to Gitcoin Passport, you have to refresh your stamps every 90 days. So simply go to their website and click on refresh stamps if you haven't refreshed your stamps for long, or maybe in the past 90 days, because you may never know, ZkSync can take the snapshot any given point of time if the snapshot is not yet done. Now there are some additional activities over here. This is my Gitcoin Passport score, which is like 26 plus. Now they have added some activity over here. So as you can see, ZkSync is there. Then I think this was the latest addition to Gitcoin Passport, which was snapshot, and it was pretty easier to get this 2.84% score. Now I am not sure what was the criteria over here. So it was like for DAO proposals. Now I am not sure which DAO proposals, because I got it. But you can create a DAO proposal also in order to get some additional points over here. Now there are TrustLab. I think because TrustLab is another verification factor, and I have this NFT holder also. So I received like around how much points? 0.71. You can connect your LinkedIn, Google, Discord, and rest of the things. And there would be some additional stamps that would be coming as soon as this update is done. I think so. Hopefully, it will be like on the 21st April. So these are some of the steps, and maybe hopefully you can increase your Gitcoin Passport score to more than 20 soon. So I will update you as and when some new update comes for ZkSync Era and Gitcoin Passport. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.